What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we don't talk a lot about sports content on the channel too much, aside from YouTube TV and NFL Sunday Ticket for obvious reasons. However, I do really love F1 and have been a fan for a couple of years now. Ever since it's really grown in popularity here in the US, it's caught a lot of large companies' attention, including Apple. And as you've probably heard, they are now the exclusive streaming partner of Formula One racing for the next 5 years, starting in 2026. And now we are at the Barcelona shakedown. The season has just ended 7 weeks ago, and we are back with a whole slew of regulations. And you're probably wondering why I'm even bringing this up. Since Apple is now the official partner of F1, they have announced that they are including it in their Apple TV subscription. And as of today, they have now made some of this live, so you're going to know where to see packaging information, or I should say shows that are available, what playlists are uploaded, and there's about 6 or 7 different playlists right now with items for you to watch. I want to go ahead and jump on the iPad, do a little screen share, and show you exactly what you can expect. So what you're going to want to do is actually get your device that has Apple TV on it and go ahead and find the logo and load it up. Once you have it all loaded, you will see your landing page and you will be able to scroll down right on the home screen. Give it some time to populate, but it will actually be at the bottom down here, and it will have a huge banner that says watch every Formula One Grand Prix on Apple TV. Get notified when this is available, F1 and Apple TV. But if you scroll up right here, there's a whole other category to get ready for Formula One on Apple TV with additional added bonus coverage here. You can see we have the livery reveal for Red Bull, the 2026 F1 rule changes, and that is something I think a lot of you probably will be interested in looking at, considering of how drastic of a change from different power units, PUs, to tracks that are updated this year, to the cars themselves being smaller, and just a number of changes this year. It will be worth checking out. You can see a new era of F1, the actual Grand Prix 2026 schedule, the sprint schedule, F1 Academy schedule, 2025 in review, Abu Dhabi Championship decider, Lando Norris ride with the champ, and 2025 in F2 and F3. All this is already live and updated, so you can actually go check it out right now if you wish. But it's going to be a very interesting year. A lot of people think Mercedes has the upper hand thanks to their new engines that they've been developing for a while, back to their heydays with Lewis Hamilton in the early 2000s. Everyone thinks it is their year. No one's given McLaren a chance, so everyone thinks Lando Norris's title reign could be a one and done. Obviously, Oscar's going to be in the title fight as well with McLaren, Max, and Honda now with their new power units, changes with Red Bull, all of the new Cadillac entry deciders of the 11th team on the grid. It is going to be very interesting. So let me know in the comments down below, are you interested in more F1 content on this channel? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you want that added coverage. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.